In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a teacher in Google Classroom. Whether you're a seasoned educator or just getting started with digital classrooms, being able to collaborate with co-teachers can greatly enhance the teaching experience for both instructors and students. So let's walk through this step-by-step process together. First, open your preferred web browser and visit classroom.google.com. You'll need to sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the classroom where you intend to add a teacher, whether it's your professional or school affiliated account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a dashboard with all your current classes. Find the specific class where you wish to add a new teacher and click on it. This could be a math class, literature group, or any other subject you're managing. Accessing the right class is crucial since the teacher you're adding will only have access to this particular class. Next, once you're inside the class, look toward the menu at the top and click on the People tab. This section is where you can manage all the individuals connected to your class, including students and co-teachers. It's important to ensure you're in the right place so that the process goes smoothly. Under the People tab, you'll notice different sections, with one specifically labeled Teachers. In this section, there will be an Invite Teachers button. Click this button to initiate adding a new teacher. You'll be prompted to enter the teacher's email address. Ideally, this should be a Google account as it's seamlessly integrated with Google Classroom. You can either type in the email address directly or paste it if you have it copied. After entering the email address, find the Invite button and click it. An email invitation will be sent to the specified teacher, inviting them to join your class as a co-teacher. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's also vital to ensure the email is correctly typed to avoid sending the invitation to the wrong person. Here are a few additional tips to enhance your experience. The teacher you invite will receive co-teacher privileges, which allow them not only to view class content, but also to engage actively by creating assignments, posting announcements, and managing student submissions. You can invite multiple teachers at once by entering their email addresses separated by commas, which is particularly useful if you have guest lecturers or substitute teachers involved. If for some reason the teacher doesn't accept the invitation, you have options. You can either resend the invitation to ensure they receive it, or remove the invitation entirely from the People tab if needed. This ensures you have control over classroom access and can manage teaching partnerships effortlessly. And that's it, you've just added a teacher to your Google Classroom, fostering collaboration and a supportive teaching environment. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks.